How to make voice call on IMO. Want to make a free voice call using IMO? It's super easy and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in a few simple steps. Ready? Let's get started. First thing first, open up your IMO app. You can see my IMO app right over here. Let's tap on it and you will probably land on your main chat list, and this is how it look like. If the person you want to call is right here in your recent chat, just tap on their name to open the conversation. Here you can see I have the name right over here. Simply tap on it. Now look at the top right corner of the screen. It's right over here, not exactly in the top right corner, but you can see a phone icon. So this is what you want. Just tap on this icon and it will start calling them immediately. Just tap on it, then allow. And just like this, you can call them. Now, what if they are not in your recent contacts? No problem. For that, let's go back, and from the main screen, what you have to do is simply tap on this contact section or the contact icon, which is in top right corner, right over here. Tap on it. And here you will be seeing the list of a person who are using the IMO. Just tap on this voice call icon right over here and call them right away. And just like that, you are making a call. Once they answer, you will see the option on your screen to mute your microphone, switch to the speakerphone, or end the call with the red button. It's that simple. Now you can easily chat with your friends and family. Go ahead and give it a try. That's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.